The Uganda Police Force held its weekly press conference today at Naguru, where they updated the public on the security situation during the festive season from December 26th to the 30th, 2024. According to the police, they have been working tirelessly to ensure public safety throughout the festive season.
And in that period, I've mentioned, we registered 91 incidents or reportable offences, compared to 110 last year, 2023, reflecting a reduction in the incidents registered by 19. Resulting from the total registered incidents countrywide, 55 lives were lost, 19 suspects were apprehended, and the cases are at different stages of investigations. Out of the 55 lives lost, 12 victims were assaulted. 12 were a result of assaults, and these assaults occasioning death. 3 were hacked to death, 2 drowned to death, 2 were lynched, still to death.
As the festive season continues, law enforcement agencies are intensifying their efforts to ensure public safety. In a recent crackdown, 236 drivers were arrested for the various traffic offences. The operation targeted drivers who violated traffic regulations, putting themselves and other road users at risk.
78 drivers were found driving without valid licenses. 110 drivers, these exceeded the speed limits on the roads. 16 drivers were arrested for driving under the influence of alcohol, and 32 drivers were charged with reckless driving, specifically unsafe overtaking. Despite the increased traffic volume, we recorded a relatively low number of road crashes, and most incidents involved motorcyclists operating in upcountry areas. Those that involved vehicles were attributed to following 2 clauses.
The Uganda Police Force has also announced plans to regulate the New Year's celebrations across the country. The move aims to ensure public safety and prevent chaos during the festivities. According to the police spokesperson, the force has implemented measures to maintain law and order, including deploying the personnel to the strategic locations and conducting patrols during the concerts and the prayer sessions.
They are people, of course, before we have registered tendencies. So we are warning people who carry firearms that because you have seen that now the new year is coming and you start firing in the air, now that is also an illegality and punishable.
Only contractors licensed under the Exploitive Act will be permitted to display fireworks following the standard fireworks protocols. The police have also warned any organizers setting off fireworks outside the permitted times will face the legal action, as this can pose a danger to the public.
Uganda Police Force issued permission to the following licensed blasters to display fireworks: Tomil Fireworks Limited, Quality Lighting Uganda Limited, Fireworks 7000 Limited, Light Africa, Goshen Africa, Extremes Events Services Limited, Skies Frames Uganda Limited, and Fesco Limited. The reason why we mention this is you will get a mofere who says I'm also a blaster. Now, cross-check with him against these names to ensure that the blaster you are using, I guess people know what I mean by a blaster. Sorry. These are licensed persons who are allowed, because you cannot wake up from your bed on a Monday, on a good day, and you just blast fireworks. No, there must be a professional handler, and these are the ones. So anybody other than these I have mentioned, report him to the nearest police station.